we naturally have loyalty from the Welsh-speaking community in Wrexham, and also we attract learners of the language who come here to practice what they've been learning. And in addition to those two groups, we also attract the non-Welsh speaking population of Wrexham, who come here to watch rugby or football, and where they hear the commentary in Welsh. And they're very proud of their Welshness here in Wrexham. So, you know, we do attract a steady stream of customers because of our brand, if you like, of Welshness and pride in Wales.